I hit this issue today and hit as the quick fix that solved it. Changing your email on TikTok is straightforward, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Step 1. Open TikTok app. Launch the TikTok app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into the account for which you want to change the email. Step 2. Go to Profile. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your account settings. Step 3. Access settings. In your profile, tap on the 3 dots all lines in the top right corner to open the settings menu. Step 4. Manage account. Select Manage account from the settings options. Here, you will find the option to change your email address. Step 5. Change email. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Sometimes, the verification email can end up in your spam folder, so be sure to check there if you don't see it right away. I hope this helps you update your email on TikTok easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.